Here we have an inspection camera from 1aauto.com. It's a nice little neat tool. Comes in handy. You can inspect your walls at home, automotive repair, or anything like industrial repair. It comes with a almost 2.5-inch screen, color screen by the way. Hold down the on button, turns on. It has lights on the end of it, and you have brightness, and it gives you the scale. And you bring the brightness down to right off. You can look into everything, look at right up there to the sign, and you could flip the screen in 4 directions. It's great for inspecting anything, gives you your battery life. Comes with batteries, 4 AA batteries that are in the handle. Easy access. I think it's a neat little tool, and it's not as expensive as the big tool trucks give. Comes with a manual. It also comes with little accessories. Comes with hooks. Comes with a mirror. It comes with a colored screen. So if you have a UV light that you need to see an oil leak and you've put dye in the oil, that will pick it up. And it also comes with these little connectors, cable connectors. So you can hook it up to an RCA cable. With RCA cable, you can hook it up and look at a bigger screen or record it. If you need this tool, click on over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.